Hello viewer, I'm Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll show you how you can run any mobile application in a computer without any emulator or anything. For this you don't need anything or any specification like 8 GB RAM and 2 vCPU. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1000 subscriber and also like this video. Here you can see I have just created a video about how you can get .com domain in just $1, that is almost 80 rupees in INR. Please watch that video if you want to .com domain in a $1. Here you can see I have opened this website. By this website you can easily run your mobile application in a browser in a computer. Simply scroll down and here you can see tap to play. For this you must have a application that is more APK file. Here you can see I have just downloaded a Facebook application to show you how it can be run in a computer. Here you can see, and this is in a corner you can see the upload your app. Click on it, scroll down, select the file, browse your APK file, the application you want to open in a computer. Go to download. Here you can see I am here, select Facebook application, select. Here you can see the file is uploading. I have downloaded a Facebook APK file from here, uptodown.com. Got it. The file is down uploading. Paste here. Here you can see file successfully uploaded. Click on generate. Now go to your email address. Here you can see welcome to, sorry, this is not a, I have also created just a video about how you can get domain in a cheap price from Namecheap. Please watch that video also if you want to buy anything from Namecheap or GoDaddy like domain or hosting. Here you can see we have welcome email and the link are ready. Click on it. Here you can see a link, your app is ready to go at. Simply tap on it. Sorry, open in a new tab. Click on tap to play, and this website can provide you 60-minute texting time. Here you can see launching the application. We have uploaded Facebook APK, so it open Facebook application. From this website sometimes we want to test application, maybe it have we don't know it have malicious virus or not, so we want to test the application but don't want to install in our personal mobile. So in that case you can use this website. It will provide 60-minute free testing. Here you can see Facebook is opened. Create new account. You can control it by keyboard and mouse easily. Here you can see, type here anything and create a account. Same as if you don't want to open your application, then you can also browse it. Here you can see YouTube. Let me show you. Go to YouTube, search there. Here you can see, and for scroll, if you will do a scroll down, here you can see you can also take a screenshot, add a media file, and here you can see a lot of options available here. You can also scroll up and down by mouse. And if you want to just reopen your application, just refresh this page and click on this tab to play. It will again open application which is you uploaded recently. This is a small tutorial. Sometimes we want to run our application or any application in a virtual mobile device, and we don't have we can't install emulator in our computer. So in that case, you can use this website. I will give this website link in this video description, and for this you don't need to add any payment details. It is completely free to test 60 minutes in a free. This is a small tutorial, and if you want to unlimited 30 days old profile page or Prime Video 6-month private account or Canva Pro 1 year private account or GitHub student developer bank, then you can contact me on Instagram. You can buy from there. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1000 subscriber. Thanks for watching video. If you found this video is helpful, then also do subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching video.